Problem statement. Traditional bank make the customer to go to the bank in a person to do the things like transfer money or pay bills. This takes a lot of time and can be inconvenient because many tasks are done manually, mistakes and delay can happen. People can only use the service during working hour. So there is a need for an online banking system that is safe, fast and easy to use. The main goal of this system are to have a secure login so only the right people can access their account. The main goal of this system are to have a secure login so only the right people can access this account, to allow the user to transfer the money instantly between the accounts. And the objectives: provide a secure authentication system, enable a real time fund transfer between accounts, facilitate the online bill payment and recharges, generate a detailed account statement and transaction history, secure a high availability, scalability, and robust security, delivery 24 into 7 accessible online banking service to make it possible to pay bills and to the mobile recharge online, to give a user to a clear account statement and record of all transaction. Next part will be continued by my teammate.
Password and reset. Account management module. The balance in request statement generation and transfer a module. Interbank and a interbank transfer. Bill payment modules. Utility bills and recharge services. These are the modules which are the model which is a model system divides into a different types of model. And the next part, system requirement specification. Here we are using a hardware and the software. What are the requirements for using the system authentication for an online banking system? Here the hardware system which is using is a server quad core processor, that is a 16 GB RAM and 500 GB SSD client. It is a dual core process, 4 GB RAM and 250 GB HDD. These are the hardware process or specifications requirements which are using for the online banking system. And the software requirements are the server OS, Linux and Windows Server. In the database, MySQL, PostgreSQL are used. The backend Java, Python, and Node.js are used. Front-ended Create, Angular are used. Security SL, TSL, and the last one is these are the requirements are used in the software, and the next part will continue by our teammate.
Hello everyone, I'm Shrinika NS from CSC department. In this presentation, I will be explaining the functional and non-functional requirements of our system. So the very first one is functional requirements. Functional requirements describe how the system should do the core features and operations that the user can perform. Let's go through them by one. Allow users to log in securely using MFA, that is multi-factor authentication. The system should ensure that only authorized users can log in. Multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security. And the next one is allow users to view account balance and transaction history. That means after logging in, users should be able to easily view their account balance, recent transactions, and full transaction history. Enable users to transfer funds security. The system should allow users to transfer money from their account to another account quickly and safely. All transfers must be verified and encrypted to prevent fraud or data theft. Support bill payments and mobile recharges. Users can conveniently pay various utility bills and recharge their mobile. And the next one is generate downloadable transaction reports or statements. The system should allow users to download their account statements or reports in formats like PDF or Excel. And the next one is non functional requirements. Now, non-functional requirements describe how the system performs rather than what it does. They focus on performance, security, usability, and system maintenance. The first one is performance requirements. The system should have a fast response time, ideally less than 3 seconds. Next is security requirements. All the data that is transmitted between the user and the server should be encrypted using SSL or TLS protocols. And the next one is usability requirements. The system should be easy to use and accessible on both web and mobile devices. The interface must be user friendly so that even non technical users can navigate and perform tasks without confusion. This improves the overall user experience and satisfaction. Maintainability and scalability. The system should be modular, meaning part can be updated or improved without affecting other components. Functional requirements define the main operations that the system must perform, and the non functional requirements define the quality, security, and performance of the system. Both are equally important to ensure that the system is not only feature rich but also secure, fast, and user friendly. This was our presentation video on SRS on document on online banking system. Thank you.